Good evening. This is BBC Radio 2 News at 6 o'clock on the 25th of August, with me, Chris Hayden-Smith. Parliament was suspended today after reports of the wildfire virus had spread to central London. Prime Minister David Cameron has been sent to a safe location, but has advised all to stay safe. Across the United Kingdom, many civilians have been infected with the wildfire virus, which has spread quickly throughout the afternoon. It is making those infected act hostile towards others and making them attack others even if not provoked. It is advised all stay away from the London area itself and to stay indoors until further notice. Do not attempt to reach loved ones, as you will be putting them in danger and yourselves in danger too. Make sure all doors and windows are locked and closed. No further news updates are available, and all reporters have been sent to a safer unit up in the Scottish Highlands. We will not be reporting any more until further notice, but please stay tuned in as there will be news updates when possible. We will now just be broadcasting music on its own. Stay safe, and God save the Queen.